Let's start with a little inspiration. In Proverbs 12:10 it says, "The righteous care for the needs of their animals," reminding us that caring for the world starts with small acts at home. Or, as Anne Frank once said, how wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. So, why not begin with your next round of dishes? Hey friends, I know dishwashing isn't exactly everyone's favorite chore, but what if I told you it could actually help the planet? Today, I'm showing you how to transform your dishwashing into an easy, sustainable routine. First up, the basics. Skip pre-rinsing. Yep, unless you've got dried-on food, just scrape your plate. Pre-rinsing wastes up to 20 gallons of water a month. Instead, load up your dishwasher efficiently so every drop counts. But what if you wash by hand? No worries. Fill one basin with soapy water and the other with clean water for rinsing. Letting the tap run is a big no-no. Trust me, this one change can save hundreds of gallons every year. Now let's talk soap. Swap that old chemical-filled dish soap for a biodegradable or plant-based version. Check the label for eco-friendly ingredients and skip the phosphates. They're rough on rivers and wildlife. Sponges and brushes matter too. Ditch the plastic and grab a compostable sponge or a wooden brush with replaceable heads. These last longer, work just as well, and won't end up in a landfill for decades. Here's my favorite hack. If you've got a dishwasher, run it only when it's full and use the eco or energy-saving mode. Modern dishwashers use way less water and energy than washing by hand. Really. Now, let's demo this real quick. I scrape my plate, load the dishwasher with every last mug and fork, add a little eco-friendly detergent and set it to eco mode. If I'm hand washing, I fill 2 basins, use my bamboo brush, and let dishes air dry, saving energy from the dishwasher's dry cycle too. So, with just a few tiny tweaks, your regular kitchen routine becomes a powerful act of kindness for the planet. Remember, change doesn't have to be complicated. Every small step adds up. Thanks for joining me today. Let's keep making choices that help our home and our world a little greener, one dish at a time.